So today we are going to discuss about the model auxiliary, okay, and its name is their could. So first of all, we will learn what are the attributes of could. Okay, first is that it is used for all persons, things, in all numbers and in all genders. Means could can be used with persons also, first person, second person, third person, all the persons, clear? Even with all the things, okay, that may be in any number, singular or plural, or they can be of any gender, masculine or feminine, any gender is there. Second thing is there that could expresses past time. Generally it expresses past time. Okay, sometime we use it in present also. So we will learn that also, that when can we use in present tense. Next is there can is its present form. Means where you want to make past into present, what you will do in place of can, you could, in place of could you will write down can. So that will be converted into present tense. Next is there its negative form. Okay, is could not in the past and cannot in present and future tense. In two different tenses, what is there? It is in present and future. Okay, and its contracted form is there couldn't. How we speak it? Couldn't. These were the attributes of could. Now we are going to start learning that where we use could. Okay, means what is the speciality? What is mood of could? So first mood as A is there. Today I have made little bit clarification here with the color. So A is there. First one indicates ability in the past. Means if any person had any ability in the past, he has a skill of doing something in the past, then we can use could for showing the mood of that. Clear to you? Okay. As here one example is given, he could drive the bus. Its meaning is there in the past time. Okay, means when that we are talking about a person. Okay, and when in his past we will peep out, then what we will find out that he had the ability of driving the bus at that time. So what is their full sentence? He could drive the bus fast when he was young, and now he became old, so he is not having this ability. Okay. Next is there, he could sing a song melodiously. Means singing song is one kind of ability. It is one kind of skill, and that person had at that time. Okay. One more example like this. 3-4 examples are given. You can read them. Take a screenshot of this page so that later you can revise it. Clear? Next example is there. We could complete this in time. Okay, and they could also do this. Means we also had the ability of doing the same work in the past, and the people we are talking about, they were also having the ability of doing this thing in the past. They were able to do this already. The word able is showing ability. Next is there, we had the ability to complete this task. Okay, so people are telling that, see, any tense is there, its meaning it is shown in this. We had the ability means it is showing the meaning of the remaining sentences. Clear to you? All of the above sentences, they are indicating ability. Okay, suppose we want to show inability. So what we will do? We will use in place of could not, and the word could not will tell you that person is not able to do something. That means he has inability of doing something. Okay, some examples. As here example is given, I could not do this, means he did not have ability of doing this thing. Okay, next is there, he could sing a song melodiously. Sorry, in this not is not written. What you will do? Could not example you will make many in a for showing inability. They are same to same examples. Okay, screenshot must be taken. Now we are going to the next B rule. Okay, what it is doing in B rule, check it. Indicates request. Okay, and it is used, means here it is not written, but it, because we are talking about could only, so is used to seek permission, and in interrogative form. What you have to remember very carefully, that when you are asking for preposition, seeking means asking. Okay, you want a preposition permission from somebody, at that time you will use could. Okay, if you are requesting something, then too you can use could. But you have to remember one thing, that these sentences will be made in question form only. In which form? Only and only in question form. Remaining forms you will not use. Clear to you? As could you do a favor to me? And this sentence is going in present, not in past. Okay, could you do a favor to me means you are asking a person, क्या आप मेरे लिए कुछ कर, ये मेरा एक काम कर सकते हैं? And you are using could even in present tense. Why? Because you are asking permission very mildly. Okay, you are showing that you are requesting. That's why you are doing like this. Clear to you? Next is there, I could explain the details for you. Means you are offering, okay, you are offering your thing that you are requesting other person. If you want, I can explain the details only for you, for that person. Okay. So can and may can also replace could in the sentences, as we already know that can be used for making request. But could expresses a request done in polite way. Very important thing, you should remember it, that could is there, the word could, that expresses the request in a very polite way. Okay, means we can tell this also, can you do me a favor, or can you do a favor to me? That can be spoken. Even we can speak like this also, may you do a favor to me? That is also correct. But if you are showing very polite way, in that case you should speak, could you do a favor to me, or could you do me a favor? Okay, clear to you? Then next is there, with some hesitation. Means one more thing can be shown by could, that you, when you are asking the other person, he may deny also. Okay, so it is more effective. So when you are using this particular could in speaking also, while in writing also, so you can make it very clear to other person that you are not showing authority, you are requesting, and it is very formal request to him or her. Now rule C. Rule C is there, could have denotes ability not to put in use. I have made comma wrongly. You should understand could have is single here. Okay, this would be a compound model, means could and have both the things. One thing more you should remember here, you can write it down also. What is there? That whenever you are using could have, after that the form of the verb will be used in third form. Okay, and it is very important rule, so you should understand. If you have any doubt, okay, so what you will do, I'll give you 1 minute for just asking queries. At that time you can ask. Clear? So here first sentence there, I could have saved him. Its meaning is there, मैं उसे बचा सकता था. मैं उसे बचा सकता था. And its meaning is there, I did not. I did not means I did not try to save him. I had the power, I had the ability, I had the chance, everything was there, but I did not do it. Okay, clear to you? This there should be no doubt in this. So third rule is clear, means whenever could have is there, we will use third form and its meaning will be there, sakta tha, sakti thi, sakte the, saka tha, saki thi, sake the. Okay, next D rule is there now. Take the screenshot of D rule also. This is, could is used to express possibility in conditional sentences. Okay, conditional sentences are generally starting with conditional words, or in the center somewhere conditional word is there. Okay, it can be if, it can be some different meanings also, as would that is there. Okay, sometime had is used in the beginning, that is also called conditional sentence. So sometime I will take one class of conditional sentence, you will understand them. Here what condition is there? There will be two sentences. In one sentence one condition will be given, in the second we will use could. As you see, if she had accompanied me, I could achieve anything. Means if she had been with me only, means agar usne mera saath diya hota, I could achieve anything. Okay, so anything can be achieved. So it is why it is there. See, in the first sentence it is past, then definitely in second sentence we have to follow the sequence of tense. So we cannot write can, we have to write could. That's why in conditional sentences when the first sentence is in past tense, check it. This is also past. This is also past. In the third sentence, it is also past. Fourth is also past. And fifth is also past. Clear? Everywhere what is given? Past perfect tense I have used. That's why second side could will be used. Clear to you? Okay, we cannot use can at that time. Now next, one more thing is there. While granting permission, okay, we cannot use could. Sometimes people are thinking that if we are granting permission, we can use could. No, for that we use only can and may. We cannot use could. Okay, for granting permission. For asking permission, you can use could. Okay, but for granting permission, you cannot use. Clear? Now all you have to tell again. So now we are going to the next rule, that is their rule number E. Okay, check it here. What is there? Could expresses impatience. Okay, impatience means when you are not able to control yourself and you are feeling totally impatient. Okay, as suppose you saw somebody and you thought that this condition is not possible. Okay, nobody can do like this, and then you are asking this question, how could that happen? Means ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है? How could that happen? Okay, similarly, because you have surprise also and you are not able to control yourself, you want to make it everything right back. Okay, so here second sentence, how could he dare like this? Means ऐसा वो कैसे कर सकता है? Okay, how could you touch my things? And means how could you? Here also means somebody touched your things and now you became impatient, you want to do something. Might be you want to punish him or you want to take revenge or whatever is their possibility, but you are not able to control your feelings and anything. So you will speak the similar sentence. How could you touch my things? And you see here one thing, whenever you are expressing impatience, these are also similar kind of sentences starting with how could. Clear? The next is there, when rule number F, when we are using could, sometimes it is showing our suggestions to other people. Means what suggestion we want to give them, that suggestion will be shown by it. Okay, so here see the sentence, we could peel these bananas for him. Okay, it is suggestion to the next person who is sitting by you. You are telling I and you both, we could peel these bananas for him because he is hospitalized. Suppose one person, he is on the bed and he is not able to peel because in one hand there is needle of for glucose and that person is not able to peel even bananas, very soft thing. Then you have given suggestion to the next person who is sitting by you. So you will speak the similar sentence, we could peel these bananas for him. Clear? Similarly, others are there. You could write a leave application at least. Suppose person did not come, next day he is telling excuses. So you can write, you can speak this sentence. It's a suggestion. Okay. They could inform us beforehand. I could pass the notice on Sunday. Okay. And she could write to the company, anything, whatever example is there, but you can suggest with the help of could. Okay, so we have understood there are 6 rules. Okay, 6 rules and 2 exceptions are there for could. Okay, that we have completed today. So that's all for today. Thank you very much. And tomorrow again we will meet in our old class. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.